Hi guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to make this really cool living room scene made out of Legos and this little picture frame. So let's get started. So I'm going to divide this up into sections, and the first part we're going to do is the couch. So the pieces you will need are 4 2x1s raised, 2x2s raised, 3 2x4 raised, 2 2x3 raised, except it's more like a 2x2 raised, except the little slant pieces added on. A 2x6 flat, a 2x8 flat, a 1x8 flat, and another 1x8 tall raise. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take 2 of these, two 2x4s raised, and on the bottom you're going to add your 2x8. Put them on like that. Then you're going to add your 2x3 slant piece. And you're just going to put it on so that there's one part out like that. And you're going to take your 1x8 raise and you're going to put it at the bottom like this, right there. And then you're just going to add the 1x8 at the bottom. Now, the next thing you're going to add are these. All 4 of your 2x2 raise and that 1 2x4 raise. So you're going to add like this. You're just going to put them on so that there's one on the back so there's enough room. And you're going to put this one, your 2x4. And then you're going to put this one on like that. And let me fix this. Okay. And the last thing you're going to add is this on the seat. And there you have the first segment of the couch. So the next segment I'm going to do are the lamps. So you're going to need these 2 circular pieces that have the one. And compared to that, you can compare one of these. So it's about like that big, so you can compare it. You're going to need 2 cones. And you're going to need 2 cylinders. 2 1x1 flats. You're going to need 2 2x2s that are flat and flat on the top except for one little piece. And then 4 2x2s raised. So the first thing you're going to do is you are going to take 2 of these and just gonna clip them on like that. Second part, add your little part like that. The third part you're going to add is this, which is a 1x1 flat. And the next one you're going to add is your cylinder. Then your cone. And you can add your lamp thing. So then you can just make duplicates of that. So this is what the other one will look like. So you have two of the same, yay! And then I'm going to take my couch and base, and I'm going to add them on. Let's see. And then you have these. And there you have that part. And now we are going to make the picture frame. So the next segment that I'm going to make is a picture frame. So the following pieces are a 2x6, a 4x6 flat, like this. You can use any color. I'm just using blue. You're going to need 4 1x4s. And you're going to need, you can make any style you want, but I'm just using these 4. Just 1x2s that are flat and like extra flat. So you can just use any color. So the first thing you'll do is you'll take this and add your 1x4. And you're just going to go around putting those on. Like that. And then you can just add your mini colors in, or whatever pattern you want. Just doing them like this. There you go. Now, I don't really have a back for my scene, but if you lay it like this, and then this, and there you have a living room scene. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell so that you never miss another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.